YouTube. If you're new here, my name is Jade. I am a farrier from Saskatchewan. I have been trimming horses for about 10 years, been shoeing horses since 2018. Today this video is going to consist of me shoeing another Dude Ranch horse. He knocks himself in the air, so we tried a little rocker toe package on him to see if that helps. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching that. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll answer them as best I can. For future, I don't want to be shoeing horses forever, so content might switch up a little bit on this channel. A little bit from gardening, homesteading, raising different animals, maybe a little bit of riding. I would like to buy myself a colt, maybe in the fall or in the spring, so probably will see some content of me getting a colt broke out and whatever else I come up with. So thanks for watching. I hope you're not disappointed if we switch away from 100% of farrier videos. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.
You're not allowed to eat meat on Friday, Easter Friday, right?
We're not? Or you guys aren't?
We're not.
Okay.
So, and because the people wants to eat meat, they put the meat in pasta.
Huh.
That's a typical South Germany.
What's the reason for not eating meat before Easter?
The church.
Okay.
They put it in pasta that the gods can see.
Huh. That's interesting.
Yeah. And then we have a special kind of potato salad, so it's not made with mayo. It's only made with oil.
I didn't know potato salad was even made with mayo, if I'm being honest.
So you make it with oil only?
I don't eat it.
You don't eat it. Okay. So most of the time it's made with mayo and pickles inside. And we make it with only with oil.
Interesting.
And it has to be mushy.
Not potato lumps.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Ready?
Every time he swishes his tail, it hits me in the face.
Nice.
Put my sunglasses on so I don't get hit in the eye. Buddy, stop it. That hurts. Anyways, we'll put a rocker toe on him and see if that helps at all. Here, Joe. Jojo. Joey. Did you go for a nap?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait. Shower, shave, office,
Paperwork?
dealing with my neighbors. Yeah, every morning. Never ending. Because you're gonna have a couple of busy weeks coming up.
Right.
I have to use the same horse. 90 one.
Do they come down?
Yeah, they're on the way.
Simone's coming today?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool, cool.
You can get her luggage. It's okay.
No.
More.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was a computer glitch, eh? All over the
Oh,
world, like in the States,
yeah.
but checked with all the airports and banks and Microsoft. That's why I hate doing this.
They would have a couple days to go a little bit afoot again. Need a rasp. Ohio, I guess. Frick. Ohio. Needs to be done too. He should be done today. Forgot about that one. It's kind of like the one time when I came here. Silver was all in my face the whole day. But I was just leaving him till the end. Every time I went in the pen, he walked over. And it got down to the end and I packed up. The only horse that I didn't do or I forgot about was Silver. And he came and saw me every time I went into the pen. I like him too. He's a good horse.
Joey.
Silver.
Silver.
Joey is too, but